This is a short guide on how to buy shares of a.k.a. Brands Holding, a consumer retail company in footwear and apparel. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker a.k.a. This walkthrough is educational only, not financial advice, and it does not guarantee returns. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the process. After you register, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker a.k.a. to locate the exact listing. Choose the result that identifies a.k.a. Brands Holding on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to understand recent movement. Double-check the company name, market, and ticker to confirm you're viewing the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to allocate, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will request that you add money before it confirms the trade. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example shown, find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps.